Hey my good friend, Sam Haymart with Test Driven TV. We've got the all-new 2023 Toyota Prius in the garage this week, and so we're going to do a complete underhood tour outlining all of the major technical features as well as the maintenance service points. The all-new 2023 Toyota Prius comes with the latest generation of the brand's 2-liter dual overhead cam Atkinson cycle engine, and it comes mated to their well-proven hybrid power split planetary transmission. The gasoline engine itself offers 150 horsepower and 139 pound-feet of torque. The primary traction permanent magnet AC motor generator, known as MG2, has 111 horsepower and 152 pound-feet of torque. In the front-wheel drive Toyota Prius Limited that we've got here, the two power sources combined offer up to 194 system horsepower. The system is powered by a lithium-ion battery pack mounted under the rear seat. Here, the system is rated by the EPA at 52 mpg city, 52 highway, and 52 mpg combined, and that's on 87 octane regular unleaded fuel. Following the airflow, the intake charge starts at the top of the radiator through a seemingly complex plastic snorkel and then into a small air filter box at the driver's side of the engine compartment. From there, it flows into the main intake tube past the mass airflow sensor and then into a single bore drive-by-wire throttle body. Air then makes its way into an also seemingly complex composite plastic intake manifold before making its way into the combustion chambers. Atop the head, you can see all four of its spark plug coil packs, and to the right, a cam-driven high-pressure fuel pump for its direct fuel injection. Exhaust then exits at the rear of the engine into the catalyst system, not really easily seen from above as the windshield does come down over the top of the engine pretty closely. In spite of its high-technology nature, servicing the engine is pretty straightforward. Do avoid mishandling the orange high-voltage wiring as it can carry up to 600 volts, which will just simply kill you. There are two coolant reservoirs. One is a high-pressure circuit for the engine coolant found closest to the fender. The second reservoir is for the hybrid components located closer to the engine. They both use the same coolant. Recommended specs can be found in your owner's manual. Engine oil can be checked at the top front of the engine at the bright yellow dipstick. To its left is the engine oil filler cap. Replacing the oil filter is done from the bottom of the engine and will require you getting underneath. Windshield washer fluid is found at the driver's side extreme front of the engine compartment right next to the air filter box. And changing the air filter is as simple as removing a couple of clips. We've got another video on that linked down below. Checking and filling the brake fluid requires the removal of a small plastic access cover at the rear of the driver's side of the engine bay. It just snaps loose and falls out of the way in a few seconds. The main fuse box is located at the driver's side wheel well, and to its left the main engine control unit, or ECU. The 12-volt battery is notably missing from the engine compartment. Instead, it's located at the passenger side of the rear cargo area underneath a plastic cover that snaps out for easy access. Looking around the engine compartment, you'll note that there is no accessory drive belt on the engine, as the power steering, the air conditioner, and the water pump are all electrically powered, and there's no conventional alternator. Alright my friends, there you go for what's under the hood of the all-new 2023 Toyota Prius. Now we do have, as I mentioned, an air filter change-out video right down below on how to do that if you just want to figure it out. And you can see the test drive for the car right there, but better yet, subscribe to our YouTube channel right there. Either way, stay tuned.